Hey, BitMobb family. Guys, I'm sitting in South Africa, and yesterday one of the questions came up, and it was like, okay, explain insurance. Why insurance on a hot wallet? And the easiest explanation that I had was, banks. Banks have something called FDIC. I've spoken about that before, and what it means is, I talked about it before, where FDIC covers your account up to $250,000, your savings accounts and stuff like that. So, a hot wallet. First off, you got all kinds of wallets out there. You got a ton of them, and you can just download them and Google them and go to your Play Store, Apple Store, whatever, and find them. But there is a wallet called the Kala wallet. It's a hot wallet, and it's the first one that I know of that has insurance on it. The insurance has like 5 different things it covers. One of them is if your password's hacked and someone logs in and steals your Bitcoin. Obviously, you got to submit it for review, but it covers insurance from theft and hacking, and even if you're held ransom or something. It's I think that's literally what it's called, held ransom or sequestered. Anyways, that is one of the reasons why it's so important. And the whole world's moving to digital. Okay, that's what it really comes down to. The whole world's moving to digital. People be using Bitcoin wallets everywhere, and it's a fact. You're gonna need something to have protection. So that something is a partnership we've created where you have hot wallet insurance. It's on the Kala wallet. Anyways, once again, the reason why it's so important is because people will be using digital currencies in the future. There are a few. You're obviously watching these videos, so you're in the know. You understand what Bitcoin is. You understand wallets. But, it took credit cards 20 years. 20 years before they themselves were accepted as normal. Well, guess what? Digital currencies will be normal too in the future, and it'll be an everyday thing. So while everyone in the world's getting hacked, and when we say hacked, we're talking about wallets, Bitcoin stolen, scams, all kinds of things like that. It's happening every day, and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger because the world's moving to digital currency. So have a heads up. Super important. Make sure you get insurance. All right. And here's an interesting thing about the insurance that Kala Wallet provides. Check this out. If you get insurance for $1,000, what it does is it just always covers for the next year. I think it's for a year. Covers your limit up to $1,000. So even if you put $1,000 in and you sent it out every day, and you did that, let's say you do it 300 times. Okay, that's $300,000. Well, you're covered for $1,000 every single time. So every time you're rotating through, you're getting $1,000 coverage. Same thing if you do 10,000 or if you do 100,000. I myself have $100,000 coverage. Why? Because I'm in the space. I'm in the know. I focus. It's our business. We do this. But I have a lot of clients that also have gotten it because when they do transactions of significant size and they move 100 grand through, guess what? It's insured. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So heads up, it's something that you're going to want to know about, understand, and get. And it's not just like your first 100,000 that's covered. It's 100,000 on the wallet for the entire year. Freaking sweet. You guys have a good one, BitMobb family.